Let's talk about the challenges of Micro Frontend. Common menu. Well, let's say you have an Angular app. Okay, that's fine. You can make a menu library, let's say, and let's do it in Angular. But that won't be callable by React or Vue if you need to. So how do you handle that? That's one thing you're going to have to figure out. Common styling. Well, you could easily set up some sort of a library or something for styling, but it would have to be agnostic to the language, route, or link from one app to another. Well, you use a route when the link is in the same app. You use a link when the link is in another app. What I mean by link here is a URL. Authentication and privileges across applications. So when you go from one application to another application in your micro front end, you're going to have to revalidate. There are ways around that, and you're going to have to figure that one out. Save tokens in a browser may be a security risk, so I wouldn't recommend trying that route. Instance ID changes from app to app. Remember, each app is running on a different server, or if it's not running on the same physical server, it's going to have a different port number, and that port number is going to require a new instance ID. Use middleware? That might be a way to do it. Again, how would you do it? Use of iframe to inject another app. So some people think that they can just use an iframe to inject it. Yeah, that works. And you could have a common menu that's another app and use an iframe in your different applications and inject that menu in there. But a lot of companies will block that because it's a security risk. So I wouldn't recommend using an iframe. In fact, I wouldn't use an iframe anywhere unless you absolutely have to. I hope that helps.